How to reinstall TikTok on Android after the USA ban. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skytech Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can download and install the TikTok application if it's not available in the Play Store on any Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. So now to install the TikTok application, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and open up the Play Store from your Android phone and simply go ahead and search for VPN right over here. And once you have searched for it, you'll get to see the few different VPNs, so you can install any of these from here. So I already installed the very first one, so you just need to install this VPN, and once it gets installed, you just need to open this up. And once you have opened the VPN, go ahead and connect the VPN to a different server and simply go ahead and select a different server. So let's say I'm going to select the Germany, for example, and tap on connect. And once it gets connected, you just need to get back from here and simply go ahead and open up the Play Store once again. And this time you just need to search for TikTok. And most likely you will get to see the TikTok application, and you can install the TikTok from here as well. And this is how you can fix and get back the TikTok after the USA ban. I hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.